Hello and welcome. My name is Henry. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps of creating an account on our platform. Whether you're joining us for the first time or setting up an additional account, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Creating an account is the first step to unlocking all the great features and benefits this website has to offer. From creating detailed, customized exercise programs to connecting with a community of the same profession, having an account ensures you get the most out of your experience with us. So let's dive in and create your account. 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to our website, thehealthleap.ca. 2. On the home page, click on Create an Account. This is found just below the Login button. 3. Review and choose your desired subscription plan by clicking the Sign Up button found directly under the subscription plan price. This will open the registration form. 4. Enter your account details as prompted. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. Email address. Make sure to use a valid email address as you'll need it to verify your account. Password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm password. Re-enter your password to ensure it matches. Company name, business address and phone number. Choose the preferred language from the drop-down menu. Remember that for free plans, the default exercise language is English. Paid plans offer the choice of 4 different languages, which can be changed at any time in your account and profile settings. 5. Before proceeding, you'll need to review and agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Be sure to read these documents to understand your rights and obligations. Tick the box to accept and click the Register button. 6. After submitting the registration form, check your email inbox for a verification message from us. If the email is not found in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Click the link to verify your account. This step is crucial for account activation. 7. Your web browser will open a verification page. Click the Verify My Email button. 8. Click Go to Dashboard. Congratulations! Your account is now created and verified. Take some time to explore the features of Home Exercise Program Creator. Here is another option to finish creating your account. This option allows you to set up multi-factor authentication, ensuring everything is in place for your next login. After submitting the registration form, your web browser will open an email notification page. 1. Click Return to the Login button. 2. Enter your login credentials. Click Login. 3. Set up your multi-factor authentication security feature. Click Watch Tutorial for a step-by-step guide on how to use multi-factor authentication. 4. Use your preferred multi-factor authentication app to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by your MFA app and click Verify OTP. That's it! Creating an account is quick and easy. If you run into any issues or have any questions, send us an email at contact@thehealthleap.ca. Have fun using the Home Exercise Program Creator. We designed this tool to help you craft personalized exercise plans that fit your client's lifestyle and goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner seeking to optimize the programs you create, our website offers a variety of features to support you. Explore our extensive library of exercises, track your client's progress, and stay motivated with our interactive tools. Plus, join our community to share tips, ask questions, and connect with other healthcare and fitness enthusiasts. Thank you for choosing the Health Leap. We're excited to be a part of your health and fitness profession. Cheers, mate!